Welcome to another helpful video. Today, I want to show you some tips and tricks that will help you if your battery is draining too fast after upgrading to macOS Ventura. It's helpful to understand what might be causing your battery to drain so quickly. Every new version of macOS pushes Mac hardware even further. With new features and more performance, macOS will require more processing power and, in turn, more energy from your battery. However, the most common culprit after an OS upgrade is re-indexing. That's when your computer is scanning files so it can search them much faster when you need it. So, what can you do about battery drain? Great question. I'm glad you asked. The first thing you can do is check Activity Monitor to see how much energy each of your apps is using. All you have to do is open a new Finder window, go to your Applications folder, then scroll down to Utilities. In there, you'll find Activity Monitor. Open it up, click on the Energy tab. From there, you'll be able to see if there's anything using an abnormal amount of energy. If you do find something strange going on, you can just click on the app and go up to the X button to force quit it. Hopefully, that will fix your battery drain issue. But if it continues, then you'll want to go to the root of the issue, which could be launch agents. Launch agents are helper scripts that tell specific apps to open when you log in. If they don't run properly, they can end up using a lot of your computer's resources. Thankfully, CleanMyMac X can help you remove those. In the video description below, there's a download link for CleanMyMac X. You can install it and try it out for free. All you'll need to do is open the app, click Optimization, then View All Items. Check the box for Launch Agents. Finally, click the Remove button. CleanMyMac X does the rest from there. Now that you've fixed your battery drain issue, you're probably wondering what you can do to avoid this problem in the future. Tip number 1. Close your browser tabs. Whichever internet browser you're using, keeping a bunch of them open can be a major drain on your CPU and GPU, which also drains your battery. That's because each tab is continually updating in the background. Some users report that Google Chrome is really bad about this, but the truth is all browsers can have this issue to varying degrees. Tip number 2. Update your apps. As new operating systems come out, every developer needs to update their apps to run more efficiently on the new system. If you haven't updated your apps, one of them could be causing your computer to work harder than it needs to, draining your battery at the same time. The third tip is to check your battery's health. If you've had your Mac for a while, it's always possible the battery could just be used up. Fortunately, you can check your battery's health in the CleanMyMac X dashboard. Just click on the CleanMyMac X icon in the toolbar, and then select the battery section. It'll show you how long you have left until the battery is discharged, how many charging cycles you've used, and a general overview of your battery health. The last tip might be the most obvious of the bunch. Quit any apps you aren't using. Like browser tabs, apps that are left open can continue to update or run in the background, causing your CPU and GPU to work harder and needing more power from the battery. Battery drain can be a big issue for some Ventura users. Besides the inconvenience of charging your MacBook more often, it significantly cuts your battery's lifespan down. But hopefully, this video has helped you out and has your battery running a little bit better. Stay tuned for even more Mac tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can get notifications when we post new videos, and always stay up to date. Check out the video description below for that free link to CleanMyMac X and other important info from the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.